morning students. Now we are going to see summative assessment 1 revision. Okay. Already you know the first lesson geometry. Okay. I want more recall. The first lesson name geometry. Okay. Look at the blackboard student. The first Roman letter. Choose the correct answer. Okay. The first one. The first side shape is circle, square, triangle. Circle, square, triangle. The first one answer square. Next, second one, the part of a circle is diameter, angle, diagonal. Okay, second one answer diameter. Third, a rectangle has dash diagonal. 3, too many. The third one answer 2. Next 4. Opposite sides are equal in a dash. Square, rectangle, both A and B. The fourth one answer rectangle. Next 5th. A shape which has 3 sides and 3 corners. Cone, triangle, cylinder. The fifth one answer triangle. Next 6. A shape which has no corner. Cone, square, circle. The sixth one answer circle. The last one 7. A 3D shape is dash. Sphere, circle, triangle. The seventh one answer sphere. Okay students. Next Roman letter. Fill in the blanks. Okay, the first one, triangle has dash corners. Okay, how many corners? 3. Triangle has 3 corners. Okay, next second one, 4 sides of a square are dash. The square 4 sides are equal. 4 sides of a square are equal. Next, circle has dash side. Circle no side. Circle has no sides. Next, fourth one, rectangle has dash diagonal. Rectangle has 2 diagonals. Next, fifth one, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Next, sixth one, triangle has dash corners. 3 corners. Triangle has 3 corners. Okay, next, seventh one, circle has no center. Circle has one center point. Circle has one center point. Next, eighth one, circle is a closed curve. Circle is a closed curve. Next, ninth one, sphere has curved surface. Sphere has curved surface. Next, the last one, 10. A cone has one plane surface. A cone has one plane surface. Next, the last one, 11. A cylinder has one plane surface. Cylinder has one plane surface. Next, third one, match the following. The first one, square. Second one, rectangle. Third one, triangle. Fourth one, circle. Okay. The first one, square. Which one is square shape? The last one, square shape. The second, rectangle. Second rectangle, which one is rectangle shape? The third one, rectangle shape. Next, triangle. The second one, triangle shape. The last one, circle. The first one, circle shape. Okay, are you clear students? Okay students, next, fourth Roman letter. Question, answer. In the first question, draw the 3D shape. The second question, draw the 2D shapes. Okay. The first one name cube. Second one name cuboid. Third one name cylinder. The fourth one cone. The last one sphere. Okay. One more. Repeat. Draw the 3D shape. The first one cube. The second one cuboid. The third one cylinder. The fourth one cone. And the fifth one sphere. Okay, next 2D shape. Draw the 2D shape. The first one square, second one rectangle, third one triangle, then the last one circle. The first one square, second one rectangle, third one triangle, fourth one circle. Okay, the first lesson geometry over students. Okay, next lesson 2 numbers. Okay, the first Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Okay, the first one question, the missing number in 23, 24, 26 is the first one 25, 22, 27. The first one answer A 25. Next, the missing number in 349, 351 in, okay, the first one A 352, B 348, C 350. The second one answer 350. Okay. Next, third one, the one digit number is the first one 73, the B 7, the C 370. The third one answer B 7. Okay, next 4. The two digit number is the first one A 80, second one 800, the C 173. Okay, the fourth one answer A 80. Okay, next fifth, the biggest two digit number is, okay, the first one 90, the second one B 99, the C 10. Okay, seventh one answer B 99. Okay, next the last one 6. The three digit number is the first A 99, B 999, the C 95. Okay, the sixth answer B 999. Next, second Roman letter, filling the blanks. Okay, the first one, there are dash one digit numbers. The answer 9. There are 9 one digit numbers. Okay, second, the greatest one digit number is 9. The second one answer 9. The greatest one digit number is 9. Okay, next, third, there are dash two digit numbers. 99. There are 99 two digit numbers. Okay, the last fourth one, the smallest two digit number is the answer 10. The smallest two digit number is 10. Okay, fifth one, there are dash three digit number. The fifth one answer 999. There are 999 three digit numbers. Okay, the sixth one, the smallest three digit number is 100. The smallest three digit number is 100. Okay, next, seventh one, the place value of 4 in 489 is, seventh one answer 400. The next, eighth, the missing number in 900 for 906 is dash 910, 912. The eighth one answer 908. Okay, next, third, match the following. Okay, the first one 09. The first one answer one digit number. Okay, next, second one 909. The second one answer three digit number. Okay, next, third 80. The third one answer two digit number. Okay, the fourth one 1001. Okay, 1001. The fourth one answer four digit number. Okay, next, 99 less than 999. The fifth one answer true. Okay, the first one answer one digit number, second one answer three digit numbers, third one answer two digit number, fourth one answer four digit numbers, fifth one answer true. Okay, are you clear, students? Next, fourth Roman letter, answer the following question. Okay, the first question, write the numerals. Okay, answer the first one A 208. Answer 208. 720. 720. Next C 125. 125. Next in the last D 652. 652. Next second question, write the number names. Okay, the first one 120. 120. Next B 355. 355. Next C 256. 256. Next D 145. 145. Okay, listen. The first one 280. 208. Next B 720. 720. Next C 125. 125. Next D 652. 652. Next second question, write the new number names. 120. 120. 355. 355. 256. 256. 145. 145. Okay, are you clear, students? Next is the write the place value of the underlined digit in the given number. Okay, answer the first one 296. 296. The first one ones, second one tens, third one 100. Okay, which one is underlined? 9. Okay, this place value tens. Okay, the answer 90. Okay, next B 664. Okay, the first one 1, second one tens, third one 100. Okay, which one is underlined? 6. The place value tens. The answer 60. Next C 432. Okay, the place value 100. Okay, the answer 400. Okay, next D 109. Okay, which one is underlined? 9. The place value ones. The answer 9. Okay, next fourth question, write the numbers. Okay, the first one A 60 plus 7 67. Okay, next B 50 plus 5 55. Next 80 plus 0 80. Next D 600 plus 80 plus 80. Answer 680. Okay, I will repeat the third question. Okay, write the place value of the underlined digit in the given number. Okay, answer 296. Okay, which one is underlined? 9. The 9 place value tens. Answer 90. Second one B 664. The place value tens. Okay, underline number 6. Answer 60. Next C 432. Okay, which one is underlined? 4. The place value 100. 400. Next D. The first one place value ones. Okay, answer 9. Next fourth question, write the numbers. 60 plus 7 67. 50 plus 5 55. 80 plus 0 80. 600 plus 80 680. Next, fifth question. Write the exponent form. Okay, answer. The first one A 246. Okay, 200 plus 40 plus 6. 246. Next B 868. 800 plus 60 plus 8. Okay, next C 637. 600 plus 30 plus 7. Okay, next D 142. 100 plus 40 plus 2. Okay, one more repeat the fifth question. Write the exponent form. Okay, the first one is 246. 200 plus 40 plus 6. Next B 868. 800 plus 60 plus 8. Next 637. 600 plus 30 plus 7. Next 142. 100 plus 40 plus 2. Next sixth question. Write the numbers in ascending and descending order. 55, 63, 48. Okay, the answer. The first you write ascending orders. Okay, students. Biggest to smallest number. First 8, 40, 55, 63. Next descending orders. Okay, ascending order. Smallest to biggest. Okay, smallest to biggest. 8, 40, 55, 63. Next descending orders. Biggest to smallest you write. 63, 55, 48. Okay, first you write ascending order. Smallest to biggest. 8, 40, 55, 63. Next descending orders. Biggest to smallest. 63, 55, 48. Okay, clear students? Okay students, next seventh question. Write down the odd and even numbers separately. Okay, you write odd number, even number separately. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, first you write odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Next even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, students, write down the odd and even numbers separately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First you write odd number, second you write even number. Okay, odd number answer 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Even number answer 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, next eighth question. Complete the patterns. Okay, answer. First A 2, 4, 6, 8. The skip counting 2. Okay, 8 next 10, 10 next 12, 12 next 14. Okay, next B 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7. Okay, next is C 5, 10, 15, 20. The skip counting 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus 5, 35. Okay, are you clear students? Okay, next ninth question. Put less than, next greater than and equal in the boxes provided. Okay, the first one 103, next to 438. Which one is biggest numbers? 438. You put the less than symbol. Okay, next 250, next is 69. Which one is biggest numbers? 250. You put the greater than symbol. Next 408, next 308. Which one is biggest numbers? 408. You put the greater than symbol. Okay, next 710, 710. You put the equal symbol. Okay, next 614, 618. Which one is biggest number? 618. You put the smaller, you put the less than symbol. Okay, next 719, 917. Which one is biggest number? 917. You put the less than symbol. Okay, I want to repeat ninth question. Put less than symbol, greater than symbol and equal in the boxes provide. Okay, first one biggest number 438, put the less than symbol. Next biggest number 250, you put the greater than symbol. Next biggest number 408, you put the greater than symbol. Next 710, you put the equal symbol. Next biggest number 618, you put the greater than you put the less than symbol. Next 719, 917, okay, biggest number 970, you put the less than symbol. Okay, next 10, find the number sequencing. Okay, the first one 111, 222, 333, 444. The skip counting 100 level. Okay, 555, 666, 777. Next 150, 155, 160, 165. The skip counting 5. Okay, 165 plus 5, 170. 170 plus 5, 175. 175 plus 5, 180. Okay, next see 333, 433, 533, 633. The skip counting 100. Okay, 633 plus 100, 733. Next 833, 933. Okay, are you clear, students? Okay, second lesson numbers over. Okay, next third lesson patterns. Okay, the first Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Okay, the first question, the patterns food is created by. The first one answer hand, food, finger. The first one answer food. Okay, next the patterns hand is created by. Okay, hand, food, finger. The second one answer hand. Okay, next one arrow mark, next two arrow mark, next three arrow mark. Is a dash pattern. Growing, repeated, both A and B. Okay, the third one answer growing. Okay, one arrow mark, two arrow mark, three arrow mark is a growing pattern. Okay, next fourth one rectangle, circle. Rectangle, circle is a dash pattern. First one growing, second one repeated, third one both A and B. Okay, the fourth one answer repeated. Rectangle, circle. Rectangle, circle is a repeated pattern. Next fifth, the letter that is symmetric is. Okay, first one H, second one T, third one R. The fifth one answer B, T. Okay, next sixth one, the letter is a not symmetric is. Okay, the first one E, the second one B, A, the third one C, Z. Okay, the last sixth one answer Z. Okay, are you clear, students? Choose the correct answer. Okay, next Roman letter, fill in the blank. Fill the blanks. Okay, the first question, two types of patterns are dash and dash patterns. Okay, the first growing and repeated pattern. The first one, two types of patterns are growing and repeated patterns. Okay, second question, first one square, second you add two square, totally three square. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square. Okay, are dash patterns. The answer growing. Okay, first 1 square, 3 square, 5 square are growing patterns. Okay, next third one rectangle, triangle, circle. Rectangle, triangle, circle are dash patterns. Third one answer repeated patterns. Okay, fifth, the line of symmetry divides a figure into the elbows. Okay, the fifth one answer 2. the line of symmetry divides a figure into two halves. Next 6. H has dash line of symmetry. Okay, sixth one answer 2. H has 2 line of symmetry. Next 7th. W has dash line of symmetry. 1. W has 1 line of symmetry. Next 8. Yes, a square is a dash shape. A square is a dash shape. Answer 2D shape. A square is a 2D shape. Okay, are you clear, students? Fill in the blanks. Okay, next thermometer question answer. Okay, the first one question. What are the types of patterns? There are two types of patterns. And the first one, growing pattern. Second one, repeated patterns. Okay, two types of patterns. The first one, growing patterns. Second one, repeated patterns. Okay, next one, define growing patterns. Okay, answer is some patterns and design. Some patterns and design increase or go with straight line. Some patterns and design increase or grow with straight lines and geometrical forms. They are called growing patterns. I go one more repeated second question. Define growing patterns. Some patterns and designs increase or grow with straight lines and geometrical forms. They are called growing patterns. Okay. Third question. Define repeated patterns. Some patterns and design repeated. Some patterns and design repeated with straight lines. With straight lines and repeated and geometrical shapes. They are called repeated patterns. Okay, one more repeat the question. Repeated patterns is some patterns and design repeated with straight lines and geometrical shapes. They are called repeated patterns. Okay. Today revision over, students. You prepare well. Summative assessment 1. Okay. Thank you.